Hello, good morning, dear brothers and sisters. First of all, my heartfelt best wishes. Buona Festa. Today is the great feast, February 10th, about St. Paul, the apostle who, by the providence of God, came to this beautiful island and then to preach the gospel. And now we have good Christian faith here. And this year, 2025, of course, the year of Jubilee, but at the same time, in this particular church is also the centenary of the consecration of this church. But at the same time, also the 60th anniversary of the diplomatic relationship between the Holy See and Malta, after the independence. And I'm happy to be here to pray, to thank God. And last December, I also talked to the bishops here, and they think that it would be appropriate and useful to celebrate this event of the 60th anniversary of the diplomatic relationship between the Holy See and Malta, because the representative of His Holiness in this island usually has two functions. One is to try to promote the better ties between the Holy See and the local churches. And as Archbishop Scicluna said, it is a great occasion for us to remember and to celebrate and to recall the Pope's solicitude for the people of Malta and of Gozo, and to strengthen the ties. And because in this place, in the last more than 20 years, 3 popes came to this place. Rarely that it happened this way. So the ties already good, and then we on this occasion we can strengthen it and deepen it. And also, as Bishop Telma said, that it would be a great occasion to take some initiatives which may make tangible the healthy synergy and the common path between the local church and the nunciature to work together. And of course, our nunciature has also a double function. One is to have relationship with the state, with the Republic of Malta. We are in good terms. And of course, more also the pastoral care of His Holiness, expressed, and also his solicitude to the people here. And here, I've been here only for about 2 years, but I find the people here very cordial, and they have very good Christian traditions. Their faith is very firm, and I really learned a lot from them. And this is what I would like to say to express my feelings.